One. Good morning, guys. April Dupree here, live from Crescent Park with fitness and nutrition expert and my bestie, Mackie Shilstone. Today, we are doing one of my favorite things, which is stretching, which is a workout within itself. We actually are doing some assisted stretching with the lower extremities, so basically from the waist down. I'm going to get Mackie to explain a little bit more. He looks like he's about to train Lyndall Hamilton for the next Terminator movie with all the equipment that he has, but I'm going to let him explain a little bit more.
Okay, thank you, April. And what we are talking about that April said is the word assisted stretching. These you have, most people do not stretch, and they rarely even make an attempt, so they can use help. What I've got here is a TheraBand, and I'm going to put it on my foot because I'm holding the mic. You see the green one? It's light, and then there's a yellow one. They're easy. They're on the line called Thera, T-H-E-R-A band. They're wide, thin, and physical therapists give them out to all their patients. You see them everywhere, but you can order them online. Now, I could use a towel. Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to put a lot in motion, and I'm going to help myself with the TheraBand, even with the towel.
Awesome. So again, if you don't have a TheraBand, these are really affordable. You can find them online at your local store, any sporting goods store, or you can find them at maxwellnutrition.com. So looking at Mackie, we're gonna go ahead and grab one of those TheraBands and put it on the ball of your foot. Ideally, this is best to do with some type of shoe on, preferably a tennis shoe. So you can see that he's gonna bend his opposite knee so he's a little bit more supported. And then that way, if you're not as flexible, it'll be a little bit more forgiving for you. Bending one knee and then flexing the other foot, and notice how his leg is naturally creating that resistance. And of course, you can grab a little bit closer to your foot with the TheraBand and create a little bit more resistance. So you'll do a few reps of those, and then he's now gonna go out to the side. So notice he's gonna pull that knee towards the shoulder and armpit. And of course, you don't have to pull super far. Go to the best of your ability of whatever distance feels comfortable for you. So doing a few reps of that, maybe about 3 to 5, then taking that foot, bringing it all the way down. He's gonna swing that leg out to the side while keeping his opposite leg stretched and straight. This is one of my favorite stretches. You're gonna stretch the inner thigh. You're gonna feel that quad and hip flexor strengthen, swinging all the way back around, pointing and flexing the foot. So you're getting a little bit of a calf workout as well. Bring that leg all the way up, and now he's gonna cross over to the opposite shoulder and opposite side of the room. This area, the outer part of your hamstring and your glute, gets super tight when you sit and stand and run, and we barely stretch this part of our body. So of course, this is a really great way to be able to stretch the IT band as well as in the outer part of the hamstring. He's gonna have resistance going back with that TheraBand, and then assistance, of course, going. So these are really, really awesome. We got a couple of seconds left, Mackie. How many, again, reps would you say that we should do with this? He can also use a towel, so I'm gonna come down while you can talk to us a little bit more while you're doing this.
What we should do is you never want to overstretch. You only want to do what you can do. When I put this leg flat, I get more range of motion. When I stretch it out, I get more stress to the stretch. So easy, advanced.
Yeah. And these are really, really awesome. Regardless of if you have an injury or not, many people are working from home, so you're sitting down at a desk more than you usually would. Please try these stretches. They're amazing. Visit MackieShilstone.com and click on the Health tab, or you can also visit WWLTV.com and click on the Health tab as well.